So, when did you first make yourself small? You know, when you were trying to make space for others so that you could support them. When was that first time that you made yourself small? I'm here to tell you, you don't have to shrink to keep the peace. I'm Kathy. I'm the owner of Monarch Therapies. I'm a trauma therapist who's also NLP trained. And you can reach us at our website. You can call, you can text, you can fill out one of our contact forms. Look forward to hearing from you. So let's talk about that tendency for us to want to shrink ourselves down when we feel like we have to support others. I'm here to tell you that shrinking down is not only doing you a disservice, but it's also not helping the people that you think you're supporting. You deserve to show up as your full self all of the time. Now, not everyone deserves all of you all of the time. And if you find that you're in a situation where you're wanting to support someone, it's okay to show up fully for the situation. A lot of times what I hear people or I see people doing is they shrink down or they push aside their own feelings. And sometimes in the moment, we do need to do that because maybe the person we're supporting is in a state of crisis. That's okay. Here's what I'm going to say though. I've said it before. Always come back to you. Always come back to you. It may not be in that moment if it's not appropriate, but make sure that you're making space for yourself at the appropriate time in an appropriate place for you to regulate your own emotions. And if you find that in every situation you're taking the role of people pleaser, I want you to ask yourself, am I really giving all of me to those around? The answer is probably no. If you're shrinking down into that people-pleasing persona, are all of your gifts and all of your resources fully available to you and to the people around you? Think about that. Try that on for size. And if not, what would it look like if you were to fully show up, full size, and give everything within you to those around you? Maybe they need that. You definitely need that. So, again, look at yourself when you're showing up for others. Are you shrinking down or are you full out showing up and supporting? If you'd like to explore this a little bit more, be happy to talk about it. Go to our website, call us, text, send us a contact info. And as always, I see you and I love it. And I'll talk to you later.